Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to make charcoal goat milk soap. I have goats and I use fresh milk. I just freeze it and then measure a necessary amount for my soap. Because I have a lot of milk, I substitute the whole content of water in my recipe with the goat milk. Usually I have about 5% super fat in my recipes, but because milk itself has fats, I think super fat increases to about 8 or 10%. Also, all my soaps made with goat milk are also made with essential oils only. I do not use fragrances in these soaps. And thus you can see I am pouring first patchouli, then Lychee cubeba, then orange will go, and the very last is going to be lavender essential oil. So this soap has 4 essential oils. Also, you can see I'm always using something when I'm pouring any kind of oil. It doesn't matter, essential or regular oil. In this case my bottles are clean because oil is not dripping on the sides of the bottle. Also, just a little note, I do not heat my oils without a necessity and extra time. For example, when I use hard oils and liquid oils in one recipe, I would, as you can see basically in every my video, so I would take my hard oils, put it in the pitcher first, melt it, and then I would add my liquid oils. And also you can see as I'm pouring, here is olive oil, you can see the different density of oils. I use a little bit of hemp seed oil in this recipe because it's a charcoal and this oil will not interfere with color, and I use very little amount, though it's very luxurious and useful oil, but if you use in a big quantity it can make your soap go rancid really fast. Here you can see a different density of oils. Because goat milk was frozen in advance, I don't need to make my lye solution prior to melting oils. And I can just add cubes of goat milk to the pitcher and then add lye and start mixing. And I will be mixing non-stop, even though it's not that necessary, but I just don't want my milk to scorch, and that's why I am mixing it constantly. Also, please note that I am using everywhere spatulas that are made of special plastic, or I'm using stainless steel spoons or any other utensils, but they're going to be stainless steel only. Also, in this particular recipe, I'm adding charcoal straight to the butter because, in my opinion, it disperses perfectly even that way. So there is no necessity to premix it with a small amount of oil before adding to the major amount. Also, I think charcoal accelerates the trace, and you will see it later, but the fact that I added all essential oils to the black butter contributes to the acceleration as well.